Hey everyone, welcome to Brett's Tech. Today we're going to be building a $1,200 editing PC. This PC is great for editing, and if you want to do some gaming on the side, it is great for that too. First off on our list of items is a Sabertooth 990 FX R2.0 motherboard. This board can support up to 32 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. Also, this board has 12 USB ports, 4 of them being USB 3.0. Overall, this is a great motherboard, and all for around $180, you can't go wrong. For the processor, I chose the AMD FX A350 Black Edition. The reason I chose this processor is because it has 8 cores, which means it will really help in rendering videos and images and everything like that. This processor is clocked at 4.0 GHz and coming around $170. This is really a bang for the buck. Next up is the EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti graphics card. This graphics card is great for 1080p gaming, but the real reason I chose this graphics card is because it supports CUDA, and programs like Adobe Premiere will take advantage of these CUDA cores, all coming for around $170. For the memory, I chose 16 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaws. 16 gigabytes is enough for the memory for the computer, but you can upgrade more in the future. For around $100, this memory should get the job done. For an SSD, I chose the 120 gigabyte HyperX SSD. With read and writes up to 500 megabytes per second, this SSD should be great to store programs and your operating system on. This all coming around $80, and you could upgrade more in the future. We also have a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue hard drive to store all your pictures and videos and whatever else you want on it. For cooling down the CPU, I chose Corsair Hydro Series H100i. This 240mm all-in-one water cooler is more than enough to keep your CPU nice and cool. One cool feature that I like about this cooler is that it lights up and you're able to change the colors. This all coming in for around $100. Powering all this is the Cooler Master 100 watt power supply. This power supply is a little bit overkill, but I am planning on upgrading this computer in the future, and more power does not hurt. Also, this power supply is fully modular and is very power sufficient with an 80+ gold rating, coming around $190. Housing everything is the Fractal Design R5 case. This case is great as it has plenty of room for cable management and it has great airflow options. Also has 4 USB ports on the front and 2 of them being USB 3.0. Overall, this is a great case and coming around $110, you can't go wrong. Once everything is put together, this makes a great editing PC. If you want to do 1080p gaming on the side, it is more than capable of that. If you want to upgrade things, this PC has more than enough room to upgrade in the future. Links to everything is in the description. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you want to see next.